Welcome friends, welcome to Learn Instrumentation. In instrumentation, various type of transmitters are used to measure various parameters. Today we are going to discuss how we measure 4 to 20 milliampere of transmitters at field side. Sometimes you need to measure 4 to 20 milliampere signals at field side, so you must know how to measure these signals at field side. So video is going to be very helpful for you. Don't skip the video and watch till end. Let's begin. Friends, first we will discuss transmitter supply and signal. So if we talk about transmitter supply, then transmitter supply is 24 volt DC supply, and this 24 volt DC supply comes from PLC panel, and in PLC panel we use SMPS for 24 volt DC supply. So by using 24 volt DC supply, transmitters are on and they start working. Now let's see what is the output signal of transmitter. And transmitter output signal is 4 to 20 milliampere signal. And remember one point, this 4 to 20 milliampere signal is 2-wire signal for transmitter. It is mostly asked in interviews, what is the signal for transmitter, pressure transmitter, temperature transmitter and DP type transmitter. So you will reply, its signal is 2-wire signal. Why it is 2-wire signal? Because only 2 wires are used for supply and signal. So it is known as 2-wire signal. Look friends, transmitters also use 4 to 20 milliampere current loop. We have already discussed 4 to 20 milliampere current loop in a video, so you can watch that video. Since we are going to measure the 4 to 20 milliampere signal at field side, so some tools are required to measure the 4 to 20 milliampere signal. Now let's discuss what are the tools requirement for this. So in tools we will use a multimeter or we will use a digital multimeter. We will use such a digital multimeter so that it can measure milliamperes. If you look at any multimeter, you will find such type of multimeter and you will find a knob. This knob is movable, so we can rotate this knob at any point which we want to measure. So if we want to measure milliamperes, we will rotate this knob at milliamperes. Okay, and other than this, with multimeter you will find 2 wires are connected. One is connected at common, so at common black wire will be connected, and the remaining red wire is connected at voltage, ohm, milliampere sign, or in some multimeters it is only milliampere signs. So this red wire must be connected at milliampere and this black wire must be connected at common. So we will use a multimeter like this. Now look friends, to check the transmitters at field side, we must know the connections of transmitter at field side. So if you look at the transmitter, if we open this transmitter or if we open any other transmitter from its back side, we will find such type of connections. So here we will find 1, 2 and 3 ports. 1, 2 and 3 ports are there. Okay. Here these 2 ports are for supply. Here it will be for positive and it will be for negative, and the third one is for test. This terminal is test terminal. Okay, so all 3 terminals are here. Now we will discuss how the connections are made. So connections will be like this. These are the wires from PLC panel or from any controller. Here suppose it is positive wire and it is for negative wire. So positive wire will be connected at positive terminal and negative wire will be connected at negative terminal. So this type of connections will be there, and we will not connect anything at test terminal. Test terminal will remain empty. Okay friends, if you want the PDF for this content, you can join our membership program, interview questions and PDF. Let's move further. Now look friends, to check transmitters, many of our friends do this mistake. They connect multimeter wires directly to these terminals, and after this they start checking milliampere here. By using this method, milliamperes will not be correct. So this method is not a right method for checking the transmitters at field side. Now we will discuss some correct methods for checking the transmitters. First we will discuss the first method. Look friends, in this method you need to disconnect the positive wire, and you need to tight this terminal after disconnecting this wire. But remember this point, if you disconnect the wire, you need to inform the control room so that they can be prepared for this, because this transmitter will be connected in SCADA, and it may be possible that it may be connected in some loop, so that loop will not work at that time. So you must inform to the control room. Let's move further. Now after disconnecting the positive wire, we will connect the multimeter knobs like this. So the positive knob will be connected at the disconnected wire, and the negative knob or black knob will be connected at the place from where wire is disconnected, and by this method multimeter is connected in series. And after this you will find milliamperes, and you will find the correct milliamperes in multimeter. So this is the one method of checking transmitter. Now we will discuss the second method of checking the transmitter at field side. In first method we need to disconnect the positive wire. By that transmitter will be disconnected from SCADA, and in some cases that transmitter was a part of some loop, so that loop will also disturbed. So now in second method we will not disconnect that wire. Let's see how we will check the milliamperes. In the another method, the connections will be like this. The positive knob of multimeter will be connected at test side, and the common knob or black knob will be connected at negative side of the transmitter or negative terminal of the transmitter. By connecting multimeter like this, you will find the correct reading here. As you can see, multimeter is showing 8 milliamperes. Similarly, you will find the correct reading of transmitter in multimeter. Okay. So friends, that was our video. Thanks for watching the video. You must have many transmitters in your industry, and you must know the ranges of those transmitters. So reply in comment what is the range of transmitters in your industry, and for more instrumentation videos subscribe to our channel today. Thanks for watching the video.